Hello, and welcome to Daily Recap. What a crazy day. If we take a look at the price action for today, before the market open for the New York session, we started selling off, much like the day before. But today there was huge continuation, and the news that came from the market as well about inflation data was not that great. So the market had a negative reaction, which bled into crypto market as well. And there was just no buyers at all today that stepped in. This one candle here, we saw there was some momentum trying to start when it hit this previous support, bounced a little bit, did not hold, continued on for a second leg down. It touched our 4-hour channel line here, and then it's bouncing back up since then. After close, which is this candle, provided a huge bounce up. The bounce up was pretty good, was decent, something that I like to see. Volume was decent as well, considering it was after the close of the New York session. And right now, we're slowly trying to grind up. It did hit this moving average here that provided some resistance, and now it's going back down. We'll see where this candle finishes. There's still half an hour left on this 1-hour candle. But what I foresee happening for Bitcoin, if I can find the brush, what I foresee the price action is chopping around, possibly a retest of these levels here, and then we'll hit that again, and then chop back up. And once we're back up here, probably chop back up, chop around here again. And then, depending on the volumes, could blast off. But from here, we do need to see some consolidation. Possibly another dip down to take out all the stops here, and then back up. For Solana, we called it pretty good this morning that a top was forming and a potential head and shoulders. We got the head and shoulders, dipped all the way back down to 159. Much like Bitcoin, we're bouncing back up there, but straight into resistance. And what is likely going to happen is we're going to form a box. And we'll likely trade within this box here for a little bit before another move up. Ethereum we'll talk about slightly as well. Nothing much happened, but it held up nicely. I thought Ethereum was going to nuke, but it didn't. Held up quite nicely. But barring any other exciting news happening for Ethereum, I don't foresee it heading for all-time highs quite yet, or previous all-time highs. I still do foresee Solana outperforming Ethereum for the time being. And that is all. Just watching the price action. Oh yes, and I forgot to mention that I did buy some Bitcoin on this candle. I saw this holding after it hit this channel, bounced back up. So I took a trade, or took a small portion for my swing trade in this candle here, in this area. So we'll see what happens. Solana, same thing, same price action, and I took a small position as well for my next swing trade. So we'll see what happens there. No new trades on Ethereum. So we'll talk to you guys again in the morning.